broadcast with breaking updates coming in the Ahmedabad plane crash. Let's get you a probe update. The black box, which was brought from Ahmedabad, remember it has been brought to Delhi on the 24th of June, and the extraction of the data has begun. And we have accessed some details as well. The analysis of the CVR as well as the FDR is currently underway. Now, remember, this is going to have the data from the flight as well as the cockpit voice recorder, which means the moments before the crash are going to be recorded on the device, which is why it's going to be very, very crucial for the investigations. So the multidisciplinary probe is currently underway. The probe team is led by the AAIB DG. So an update on the Ahmedabad plane crash investigation, with the black box being securely transferred to Delhi on the 24th of June. The data extraction has begun that same evening, with the crash protection module safely retrieved and the memory module successfully accessed and downloaded. So analysis of the cockpit voice recorder and the flight data recorder is currently underway. Now let's tell you why this is extremely crucial. The cockpit voice recorder as well as the flight data recorder is going to have every detail of the flight and will even record the voice from the cockpit just moments before the crash, which will give an indication of the conversations that had taken place in the cockpit, and that could have the answer to what actually went wrong. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, there have been a lot of questions over what actually happened. Up until now, the only details available were the video and, of course, analysis over what could have happened. The real answers will come in from the flight data recorder as well as the cockpit voice recorder. Take us through the details of the analysis being done.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. I see a lot of speculations were going around exactly what went wrong that particular day. Now the AAIB, which is investigating this entire accident, have brought the black box from Ahmedabad to the national capital, to the AAIB lab on 24th, and on 24th itself the extraction process has begun by the AAIB, which is being led by the DG, and other aviation experts are also present in that group. Now, as per the release that has come out from the Ministry of Civil Aviation, they say that the crash protection module from the front black box was safely retrieved, and on 25th June the memory module was successfully accessed and its data are being downloaded at the AAIB lab. Now the analysis of the CVR and the FDR data is underway. CVR is the cockpit voice recorder, and FDR is the flight data recorder. Now these are currently underway, and the efforts from the ministry is to make sure that they reconstruct the sequence of the events leading to the accident and identify the contributing factors to enhance aviation safety and prevent future occurrences. Now the Civil Aviation Ministry is very much clear on the fact that they would extract the details and the data from the black box here in the country, where along with the AAIB, the NTSB is also part of this extraction process. They are also being here in India. Now the Ministry of Civil Aviation is very much confident that very soon they are going to extract all the data and give a clear picture as to what went wrong on that particular day that led to the accident.
Okay, so the sequence of events is going to be very important, and that's what will be revealed. My colleague Hina Gambhir also on the broadcast with us. Hina, tell us what the process will be like, how long it could take, because up until now there have only been speculations of what could have gone wrong. The real answers would come in based on this data.
Well, Pratibha, what we can tell our viewers right now is that it's a big breakthrough that has now taken place as far as the probe in Ahmedabad plane crash is concerned. Now, this is the first status update we have got from the government, and it tells us some very, very important aspects. One of them being that, the probe began as soon as the teams reached there. And second, both the black boxes are being analyzed right here in India as far as the AAIB's headquarters is concerned. Now remember, Pratibha, initially there were reports suggesting that one of the black box in fact got damaged severely and it might be sent to the United States of America for retrieval of data or for analysis of the data from there. But the government then came out with a statement saying that as of now no such decision has been taken. What we can now tell our viewers is an update that has come from the government as far as the probe is concerned. One, now on the evening of 24th of June, both the black boxes in fact were sent from Ahmedabad to Delhi. Another important update is that the data extraction process has already started. Now that is very important. According to the government, what we can tell you is that the crash protection module from the front black box has been successfully retrieved. It is safe, and that is a very, very significant development in this particular case, because this takes us a step closer to help us find out what really was the reason behind this crash that took place. What was the main issue that was there that led to this plane crashing in Ahmedabad seconds after takeoff. Apart from that, according to the government, the memory module has been successfully retrieved as well. Its data has already been downloaded at the AAIB lab here in the national capital, and the analysis currently is underway of CVR and FDR that is going on. Now, as Sabyasachi was also mentioning earlier, the efforts are now going to be to, in a way try and reconstruct the sequence of events that led to the tragic accident as far as this particular plane is concerned. Now, a couple of interesting things here. One, the black boxes are being analyzed here in India as well. So as of now, it's not being sent to the United States of America. That's one. Second, some success has been achieved in terms of retrieval of the crucial information that will take us a step closer to what the reasons perhaps were that led to this particular crash. And third, and another very important point is that, remember, as per the process, there are about 30 days that are given to the agency here that's led by AAIB, the probe team, to come out with the preliminary findings. Now, with this development taking place, within 30 days, we can expect preliminary findings to come out, which will tell us what was the reason. Was it some kind of dual engine failure, as experts have pointed out, or was it some kind of a human error?
Okay, all right. And that will provide some closure to the families as well as people who have been anxiously waiting to know what actually happened aboard that ill-fated flight. Sabyasachi and Hina, thank you for joining us with those details.